Hello people, welcome back. If you're new here, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And thank you for stopping by. And for my old fam, thank you so much for coming back. So today I'll be showing you how I make my juice without juicer. First, we peel the pineapple smoothly. And the juice will be coconut and pineapple with a little bit of ginger if you want, optional. I remember the first time I made this drink and my kids I washed Bum Bum 3 times that day. 3 times 2 equals to 6. And I was wondering, what is going on with them? Like, are they having running stomach? What is going on? It doesn't look like they have a running stomach. I was so worried. I totally forgot that I gave them this coconut and pineapple drink in the morning. And it really made them go do number 2. And since then, I've been making it and they loved it. But I always put a tablespoon of honey for them, not just to change the taste. It's really good. It did not affect me that way. I only just love the taste. But for them, it cleans their stomach. It cleans up their tummy. So I make this once in a week for them. Absolutely delish. And now we have to shift the water out. If you don't like the tiny bits that will be inside, I'll recommend you use skull cap to remove it on the second time. But I don't do that because I love the little bit that goes in. If you do it that way, it won't be this thick. They won't go inside the glass jug. So use the skull cap. I don't know. I think it's skull cap. The one they use with the wig. You put them on your hair before you put the wig on. So don't use the one you use for your wig. Just get another one, wash it clean and use it, because that one is tiny. Be able to take out the tiny bits properly. You agree with me that coconut and pineapple are a good blend with a little bit of ginger just to kick it off. You can imagine. Altogether, I used 3 glasses of water because my glass cup is a pint, so I use 1.5. And we blend the coconut to be very smooth. I should have blended the coconut first because the coconut doesn't take time to drain, but the pineapple takes time to drain out all the juice because it goes out really quick compared to the pineapple. The pineapple takes time. A person that don't like juice or ready-made juice from the store, just like me, because there's full of sugar and preservative. You just do this one yourself. It's very easy, quick, and affordable. Look, so creamy. I really love the taste of coconut and pineapple juice. And you can just add ice, and it's so ready, very ready. Yum. Look at that color, so creamy. Don't you just love the color? I do. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share.